Would you try mayonnaise on bibingka?
Is it yummy?
I hope it tastes better than it looks. I'm sorry. Tanong mo si Heinz. Heinz, bakit masarap?
I don't want to eat it.
Panindigan mo yan.
Mayonnaise is an all-around dressing perfect for sandwiches, hamburgers, salads, and dips.
Pero gaano ka all around? What if we pair Heinz Seriously Good Mayonnaise with our favorite Noche Buena dishes? Is it yummy kaya?
Let's find out.
Is It Yummy is about trying out food combinations that you normally wouldn't put together. Pero kung hindi siya yummy, try niyo pa rin para damay-damay tayo.
Speaking of interesting food combinations, Georgia, saan kaya natin gagamitin to today?
Okay, before I answer that question, do you just have mayonnaise in your pocket?
All around nga eh, so I carry it all around.
Okay. Ready ka na ba to find out what we're going to try with Heinz Seriously Good Mayonnaise?
So let's go!
Hey, eto na!
Oh!
I hope it tastes better than it looks. I'm sorry. Ito na. I think it works for me because the mayonnaise is a little tangy and a little salty. And then you have the puto bumbong, which is very sweet and very creamy. So, you know, salty and sweet.
Me, I love the play of texture kasi kakanin, tapos mayonnaise, tapos muscovado.
Yes.
So,
alright, bibingka. With the mayonnaise, parang okay lang siya. Kasi mas nagiging creamy siya. Kasi liquid yung mayonnaise, di ba?
it is yummy kasi I taste the cheese, the salted egg, and the mayo all together. So, Georgia, puto bumbong and bibingka with mayonnaise. Is it yummy?
You know what? It is yummy. How was it for you?
It is seriously good, guys. So, I hope you try it as well. Lalo na uso yung puto bumbong and bibingka these days. Okay, Georgia, level 2. Drum roll, please.
Aba, Shishal! Mayonnaise na.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, may roast beef sandwich naman. Right?
Mm-mm.
So, yun siya with the
yeah.
mayonnaise. Kulang na lang ng ano,
Bread.
bread.
It's like a creamy roast beef. By the way, guys, it's my first time to try Heinz Seriously Good Mayonnaise. So, I'm actually surprised na yun, the texture is really good. So, binasa ko siya and it's 100% free-range eggs pala yung ginamit dito. No artificial colors, no artificial flavors or thickeners. Mayonnaise on roast beef. Georgia, is it yummy?
I mean, as you can see, mumuya pa rin ako. So actually, yes, it is yummy. What about you? What did you think?
With the gravy, it is yummy. It's like a creamy version of the roast beef. So,
Alright, let's find out what our next dish is. Lasagna!
para sa mga gusto ring magluto ng lasagna this coming Christmas, of course, we have a couple of lasagna recipes sa aming website, that's yummy.ph, and also sa YouTube channel namin. Just search YummyPH. Bakit masarap?
Tanong mo si Heinz. Heinz, bakit masarap? Nag-mix yung lasa ng mayo with the lasagna seamlessly. Like, it's not... Like,
Hindi siya na out of place.
Oo. It's like, it's always been part of the recipe. And parang, bakit hindi ganito ako mag-prepare ng mayonnaise?
Ng lasagna.
Ay, ng lasagna pala. Sorry. Oo. Christine, is it yummy?
It's seriously good with that emoji. What about you, Georgia?
It's yummy. It is yummy.
For the last round, Georgia, we have
Fruitcake.
this is infused and frosted. Nothing. This has nothing yet. I don't want to eat it. I don't want to eat it.
Ay, wala. Sinubo mo na. Panindigan mo yan. So this is the one with the infused. It's a little more moist than without the mayonnaise.
This one is acceptable. That's my one description. It's acceptable.
Acceptable.
Georgia, mayonnaise and fruitcake. Is it yummy?
Honestly, I'm so sorry, but no. But mayonnaise in cake as a baking ingredient should be yummy. What about you? Is it yummy?
It's acceptable, guys. But not yummy.
So, Justine, all around nga ba ang Heinz Seriously Good Mayonnaise?
90% ng Georgia. Yung 10% is yung fruitcake. Sorry.
Pero hindi naman yata kasalanan ni Heinz yun, no? Kasalanan ng fruitcake. So guys, if you have any more unusual food combinations that you'd like us to try, please comment down below para naman magkaroon kami ng mga bagong ideas.
We hope you loved this seriously good episode, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications. Bye, yummies!
Bye!